very successful. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today, it's windy as hell. We're at the exit of Cleghorn. Say hi to the exit of Cleghorn. Now let me explain what happened here. I was putting on my Driveshaft video below. Somebody hit me up. Hey, I'm stuck. All right, cool. Let me go get you. So I rounded up Robert, and then Robert brought his father-in-law from Texas, who's out here to come wheel with us. And then we got some other people over there. We'll go over that in a second. But halfway up here, he ended up getting unstuck, and he was fine. But we didn't want to waste the day, so now we're gonna go try something a little bit new. So over here off the chute of Cleghorn, near the exit, there's Sugar Pine Trail, which we've ran Sugar Pine before. We ran half on the other side. So now we're gonna be running it backwards just to check out the trail, see how it is. So trail review? Yeah, we'll go with trail review. God, it's windy. We got our other dude, Blue Ghost 4Runner. You guys saw him before. We saved him at a Cleghorn night run on Christmas. He broke a tie rod, so he was already finishing up Cleghorn, and we caught him here. And he was also running with, you guys know Miggy. Miggy's got the Diesel ZR2. He's on the Patreon runs and stuff like that. So got these dudes. We're gonna come out, have some fun. We're gonna see how it goes. But all right, getting started. Here we go. I think this is it right here.
Later.
Okay, here it is. So Silverwood Lake.
Yeah, take that exit and hang right.
Yep, copy that. Okay, now we're on the right trail. So I thought it was Cleghorn, but it's not the actual Cleghorn that you guys run. It's Cleghorn Ridge Road. That's confusing. You're the fucking guy I'm supposed to be saving.
Yeah.
He went and saved himself.
Yeah, we did.
Good stuff.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you guys had a winch, man.
Yeah, we
How's it going, though? How's it going?
It's good. We went on, man.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, we made it. Thank you
Yeah.
anyways, man.
Well, I mean, we figured we'd come up here anyways and come run the trail, just
Yeah.
do something. So yeah, it's beautiful up here. I don't have a drone or anything. I didn't bring anything. Look at that, looks interesting down there. What's going on in that canyon? That's what I want to know. Good scenery, actually really good scenery, but the trail is simple. It's not. That's something right there. Oh boy.
Careful, guys. We got ATVs coming down.
Those guys almost didn't live anymore. Anyways, very good scenery. Although this is a tight trail, you have to be careful. Watch out for incoming traffic. Always have good trail etiquette and everything like that. Just keep your eyes peeled because, you know, in a situation like that, if I would have hit that guy, it would have been really bad for him.
So I'm glad I stuck around. I was having second thoughts, but I was like, you know what? Fuck it, I'm gonna do it.
So you can tell that this trail is a little less traveled. Pinstripes is a thing. You know, it grows out pretty far. Right here is not too bad, but there's certain sections where, you know, pinstriping is guaranteed. You can't really avoid it unless you're a really small vehicle, but it's all good. So we are now peaking the mountain and you can see we're starting to get as high as the clouds.
Ahead of you, Dustin.
Look at the clouds. Ah, okay. So we were here last time. We went camping here. So the last time you saw me and George run Sugar Pine Mountain, long time ago, we actually stopped right here. So the rest of this going down, I am familiar with. So I have it in 4 low just for engine braking purposes. Let the truck do all the work. See, you know, shift down. Very good. Slow it down a little bit. Look at the views though. You know, we can't end this video without some hard lines. Passenger! Yeah, I found a little notch to play on. Passenger! Passenger! Straighten out. Whee! Good stuff. Just a little. Yeah, that's good. Up and over. Good stuff. Little passenger. That's good right there. You can straighten out a little. Woo! Woo! Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yo, slipped off that rock right there. All right, there it is. Just finished up the trail. We're all getting aired up. Ends over here off of Palm in San Bernardino, which if you guys watched our last Sugar Pine video, that's where we started last time. We ended here this time. But everybody's solid.
But the bump itself was
Everybody's doing good. I mean, on a trail like this, you're really not gonna expect any damage. It's not a hard trail. The only thing I'll say about that is this is the type of trail where you wanna stay on your toes while you're going through it, because throughout the entire trail, there is zero room for error in terms of like steep drop off and stuff like that. So if you make a mistake and slide off the mountain, you're going down 200 feet. And that's not gonna be good for you or your vehicle. So as always, stay on your toes, make sure you're paying attention, have good trail etiquette, and all that good stuff. You guys even saw earlier when I was recording, talking about the trail, I was going a little bit slower than I normally would. And because of that, I was able to see this quad going around the corner and not hit him. But it's a big deal, just something to pay attention to, so keep that in mind. But this is definitely a fun trail. I would recommend coming out here. This is like the type of trail, you know, if you need to do a shakedown run on a vehicle, or you're looking for something that's a little bit on the chiller side, maybe like an off-road date or something like that. You just want to come up here for a quick camp session, something like that. This is the trail for that. You're not going to find any obstacles. There's no rock crawling. There's nothing to bash your vehicle up. It's just a smooth trail ride. Nice, beautiful views, and all that good stuff. Ain't that right, Robert?
right.
E-word. This is an E-word trail.
That's an E-word trail.
But don't say the E-word. I'm going to explain. The reason we don't like to use the E-word is easy. We don't like to use the E-word because no trail is easy. Any trail can bite you. And it's that mentality that I never like to have. And other people share that with me. Always stay on your toes, expect the unexpected, because you could be on the easiest trail on earth and roll over or do whatever. I mean, go back and watch our Gulf Fever video. We rolled a Subi on a fire trail just because it happens. So that's why we don't like to use the E-word, just because you show respect to the trails and the trails will respect you. Anyways, Sugar Pine, fun trail. Come out here, come have a good time, enjoy the views. Don't come here in the snow. That would be crazy. Unless the story till now, yeah, this is a trail for you in the snow. You'll have some fun with that. We are all done here. I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Patreon. Use those up for shirts, hats, hoodies, and all those other goodies at dirtnationoffroad@gmail.com. We're all done here. Thank you guys. We'll see you again next time.